Samsung has just confirmed what could be their biggest innovation of the year. We're now about 6 weeks away from their major Galaxy Unpacked event, where the spotlight will be on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7. And this time, it's not just about being slimmer or lighter. Samsung is stepping into new territory with what they are calling their most advanced camera ever, something that could even go beyond what we've seen on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. A leaked promotional image recently gave us our first proper look at the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The design is noticeably sleeker, with sharper corners that add a more premium touch. But that's not all. Samsung itself has confirmed on their official website that this will be their thinnest, lightest, and most durable foldable phone yet. A brand new titanium hinge is being used to increase long-term durability, making this the strongest foldable device they've ever made. What really stands out is the camera. Samsung says this will be the first time their foldable gets the ultra treatment in photography. Although the main hardware may still use the same 200-megapixel sensor found in the S25 Ultra, the real magic is happening behind the scenes. Samsung has developed a new Galaxy AI photo engine that goes far beyond regular photography enhancements. It's designed to make the camera behave more like human eyes, recognizing your surroundings and adjusting intelligently to give you better photos and videos. This could make it one of the smartest smartphone cameras ever made. What's your take about the Samsung camera system? Is it better than Apple? Feel free to share in the comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Industry insiders like Ice Universe are already calling this a major leap forward, praising Samsung for bringing back bold innovation. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 will also be the first devices to ship with One UI 8 based on Android 16. While the battery size might not see a major increase, Samsung is introducing new AI-based battery management to help improve overall performance. Combine that with the power efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy, and you're likely looking at noticeably better battery life compared to previous models. Furthermore, Samsung won't stop at phones during the Unpacked event. We're also expecting the Galaxy Watch 8 series. Early renders show a refreshed design inspired by the Ultra series, now applied across the entire lineup. This includes the Galaxy Watch 8, Watch 8 Classic, and the new Galaxy Watch Ultra. The Classic retains its signature rotating bezel, while the Ultra model appears to have a more rugged and bold look for 2025. And here's one more surprise. Samsung might finally unveil its long-rumored Trifold smartphone. This device has been in development for years and could make a surprise appearance at the event. However, it's expected to be produced in limited quantities, possibly fewer than 200,000 units, and may only launch in select markets. So, with the leaked teaser image of the Z Fold 7 confirms just how thin and refined the design really is, paired with Samsung's most intelligent camera system yet, this year's foldables could be something special. What are your thoughts about the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7? Will you buy? Let us know in the comments below. With that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video.